Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero sugar coffee. First, focus on the natural flavors of your coffee beans. High-quality beans offer a richer taste, reducing the need for added sweetness. Brew your coffee carefully to avoid bitterness, which often prompts people to add sugar. A smooth, well-extracted cup is the perfect foundation for a delicious, sugar-free experience. This initial step is crucial for success. Once you have a great base, enhance the flavor without sugar. Try adding warm spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom directly to your grounds or brewed coffee. Sugar-free syrups and flavor extracts like vanilla or almond can also provide a sweet sensation. For a richer mouthfeel, consider a small amount of healthy fats, which can make your coffee feel more satisfying. Achieving creaminess without sugar is simple with the right additions. Unsweetened dairy milk, like whole milk, adds body and a hint of natural sweetness. Many unsweetened plant-based milks, such as almond, oat, or soy, are excellent alternatives. For a truly decadent feel, a small splash of heavy cream or half and half can provide richness without any added sugar, transforming your coffee. To truly master zero sugar coffee, experiment with various brewing methods. Each can highlight different flavor notes. Adjust the coffee-to-water ratio to find your ideal strength, as a bolder brew might feel more satisfying. Remember, your palate will adapt over time, learning to appreciate coffee's inherent complexities. Enjoy the journey of discovering your perfect, personalized, sugar-free cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.